Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is creamy lemon Parmesan chicken. So I'm first setting up a little station here with some flour, Parmesan cheese, lemon zest. I'm also going to add some garlic powder and season it with salt and pepper and give that a mix. The recipe called for 3 chicken breasts. I just used 2, and I did slice mine horizontally. I don't like when they're really thick, so I always try to thin them out, and they cook faster too. But you're going to take each piece of chicken and coat it with the flour mixture, and then set it on a plate. And when you're done with that, you can heat up some oil and fry the chicken, cooking it for 6 minutes per side. And then once that's cooked, flip it, cook it for 6 more minutes, and then remove it to a plate while you make the sauce. For the cream sauce, I'm adding some butter and some garlic. Let that cook for just about a minute or so. Then I added in some spinach. Added a couple handfuls and then stirred that around until it was cooked and wilted, which doesn't take too long. Spinach cooks really quickly. Next up, I added some cream and also some chicken broth. Then I added some additional Parmesan cheese. Seasoned it with salt and pepper, and I did let that cook for a few minutes. I also sliced up a lemon, removed all the seeds, and we'll be adding that to the mixture as well. And then let that simmer for about 4 minutes. And finally, you can add the chicken back. Let that simmer for about 5 minutes or so, kind of heat everything through. And that is it. When you serve it, it says to add fresh basil. I didn't have any, but I had some dehydrated basil, which keeps much longer, and that's what I do have in my fridge. So I added some of that to it. I served it with some mashed potatoes, put some of that extra cream sauce on there. It was really good. The family enjoyed it. So if you'd like the full recipe, check out the description box below, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.